Okay, for the guys that have bought our Zorb repair kits, this is the video to show you how to use the professional glue. Using a fine haired brush, thinly coat the pieces of material needed to be glued. Make sure you coat them right to the edges. Allow the glue to dry until touch dry. You can see it go cloudy here. Well, it needs to be just touch dry. With a hairdryer on its hottest setting, or a heat gun probably on its lowest setting because you don't want to melt the plastic, warm the glue up, get it nice and hot, nice and warm. Once the glue on both sides is nice and warm, then push both pieces firmly together. Be sure to have a spatula or similar to hand, which will help you push both pieces very, very firmly together. Keep pushing with the spatula and keep the heat gun on both pieces while they are curing. As you can see, adhesion occurs pretty much immediately, but I would leave it, if you've got time, leave it for about an hour to make sure it's absolutely spot on. For extra repair kits and more information, please contact me at brian@infiniteinflatables.com.